Yo. Let's get it, let's go. Like, comment, share, subscribe, let's go.
Just let it breathe for a minute, you know.
Quick one today. What do you call this where you're from?
Few moments later.
Is it plantain or plantain or plantain?
Yeah, boy.
What y'all call this where you're from, man? Let me know in the comment section, man. Boneless, skinless, chicken thighs, yeah.
Nice.
But we go. What? We go whip this up in the air fryer today. No over the fire cooking, except for the plantain. The plantains. It's just a process, man. Stay locked in. We preheat the air fryer, man. Go and let that preheat. Dash a little the Arlene there. Make that go and heat up at the same time. You heard that, right? Little sizzlings are going in now.
What are you talking about, man?
Little sizzlings are going. The plantain ready. So we gonna, you know, remove it from the jacket. Whoosh. Whoosh. It's up to your preference how you slice it up, innit? Down the middle, or just cut it, you know what I mean? Like, lengthways. Yeah? But now I say the long ways, lengthways. Yeah, we gonna fry these up. Chicken I go and cook up in the air fryer. Woo! Get these nice and crispy. Flip them over. Flip them over. One flip, you know. One flip, Muller in the building. Don't want to burn them up on yeah. Plantain ready. Like I said, man, quick lunch. Yo, so we gonna get to the flipping, man. They're almost ready. Again, you could add your little peri sauce, your little barbecue sauce, your little sweet chili sauce, but minimal seasoning, maximum flavor, just the right way, none extra up in there. You get me? That's my preference, but options are available for your taste buds, you know? You see it there? Them ready, you know. Lightly toasted brioche, so totally up to your preference, man. We got some barbecue sauce. You can hit it with some burger sauce, some tomato ketchup. You know what I mean? Or just some honey. You know what I mean? A little sweet. A little sweet. Juicy piece. Just like that, right there. Yeah? That's gonna go and melt off itself. The plantains. And of course, the sauce I gonna go up in there. Just like that. Just like that, man. Make it to your preference. If you want to put salad in there, you can. A little lettuce, little onion, little cucumber. It's up to you, but I'm gonna have it just like this, man. Double chicken thighs burger.